Welcome to Troubleshooting 101 for your new Fenstermann shades. I'm your host Ingo Scholz from Fenstermann. In this troubleshooting video, we are tackling the issue that the U-guard plus rails are shorter than the actual height of the opening. Problem number 1. The rails are up to 2 mm shorter than the actual opening. This is not a problem at all. Please center the rail to the wall and begin your installation. Repeat on the other side. There is no adjustment of the length needed. Problem number 2. The rails are 2 mm to 4 mm shorter than the actual opening. Take your rail and hold it into the wall. Determine the actual gap between the rail and the wall. Now take the rail off the wall and remove the end cap as shown. Fenstermann offers spacers of 1 mm and 3 mm. Take the appropriate spacer, place it onto the rail and screw the end cap back to the rail. Repeat this on the other side. Then center the rails to the wall if needed and continue with the installation. Problem number 3. The rails are 5 mm to 7 mm shorter than the actual opening. Take your rail and hold it into the wall. Determine the actual gap between the rail and the wall. Now take the rail off the wall and remove the end cap as shown. Fenstermann offers spacers of 1 mm and 3 mm. Take the appropriate spacer, place it onto the rail and screw the end cap back on. Do the same on the other end of the rail. Please use only one spacer for each end. Repeat both steps on the other U-guard plus rail. Then center the rails to the wall if needed and continue with the installation. Problem number 4. The rails are 8 mm or more shorter than the actual opening. Take your rail and hold them into the wall. Determine the actual gap between the rail and the wall. If the gap is 8 mm or more, you cannot bridge the gap with our spacers anymore. Please contact us for new rails. Thank you for watching Troubleshooting 101 for Fenstermann Blinds and Shades.